Okay, here we are. What are we doing today?
We are doing Monster Jam Freestyle who goes to forest.
Yeah, it's a competition between
Maxi
and
Shark Catch.
whoa, Shark Catch. That's your own name. Awesome. So our competition will last 10 rounds. Whoever gets the furthest gets 1 point. If they're standing up, they get 1 point. And if they do a wheelie, they get
3 points.
yeah. All right. Round 1. Maxi's up first. Oh, that was a hard landing. Whoa! And there we have it. Round 1, Shark Catch landed further away from the slide and upright. So he scores 2 points. Round 2, Shark Catch goes first this time. Wow, that's a really far roll. I think he's gonna take this one too. But Maxi is upright, so at least he gets a point. Round 3, Shark Catch is in a big lead here. Maxi's gonna make some cool move to get ahead. Oh, you almost landed the wheelie. Not quite. Shark Catch didn't land far enough away, but he's upright, so he'll still get a point. And that keeps him ahead.
That keeps on ahead.
So after 3 rounds, we're moving to the next circuit. And we have Shark Catch at 5 points and Max D at only 2 points. Let's see how this circuit looks. It is a twisty slide. Okay, who's first?
Maxi.
Here we go. Wow, he rolled that really well. Good job, Max D. Let's see what Shark Catch has to do. Oh, he fell down and he didn't make as far. Round 4 was a good match for Max D. He's hoping to keep the pressure on. Shark Catch is going the same route. Let's see if he can do better. He did. He landed and he got farther. Oh, it's close. Look. Max D just didn't pull ahead enough.
Whoa.
Here we are at round 6. The scoreboard says Shark Catch is the commanding lead with 7 points. Max D has 4.
Maxi is first. And after that, we're going to do Monster Jam Race 2 together.
That could be interesting. Here we go. A nice roll, but no landing. But he blocked the path for Shark Catch, giving him the point.
Give me the point.
Here we are, coming up on round 7. They are ready to roll out. 2 at once. Wow, Max D got ahead on that roll. None of them land. So that's 2 in a row that Max D has shut out Shark Catch. If he can continue to do this, it could be a very close match. Wow, well, it's a close match, Riam. Who do you think's further from the slide?
Maxi.
Max D's further away, so he won?
Yeah.
Let's measure it. All right, so here's Max D. There's 1 Baba foot, 2 Baba foots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and some toes. 8 feet and some toes. Let's check over here. How far away is this guy? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, and a little bit more than some toes. Wow, so actually Shark Catch is further away. He gets the point. But Max D is upright, so he gets a point too. Round 9. Here we go. Ready to roll?
Yeah.
Alright, Shark Catch, what you got? Oh, you almost landed, but not quite. Next, we have Max D going on the same ramp. Let's see what he can do. Well, he got further, and that's going to give him the point. Dun, dun, dun. Here we are at round 10, and we see that Max D has pushed Shark Catch. And now both cars have 8 points. So whoever wins this one will win the race. Are you ready?
Yes.
Dude, 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 dude. Oh, it's a tie again because Shark Catch got further, but Max D is upright to hang on, which means we gotta go into overtime. And here we are in overtime. Max D almost got eliminated, but he held on by being upright. And one of the monster trucks clenched the cup. We'll find out. Looks like we're gonna do one at a time this time. Shark Catch is ready to roll. Wow, that's an impressive roll. Looks like he's all the way at the warning track. And he is upright. He's very confident with this position. Now it comes up to Max D. Can Max D pull a miracle? Whoa! Almost! Not quite. That was quite a run.
Not quite.
That's right. He didn't make it.
But
He's upright. But
only-
Shark Catch wins by a single point. So in the 11th round, we see Shark Catch being upright pulls ahead by 1 point. What do you think about that race?
That was a good race.